Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Infiniti G35 seats. We'll start by identifying the most common issues you might encounter, such as power seat failures, broken recline mechanisms, or non-working heaters. Then, we'll discuss the basic tools you'll need to get started on these repairs. Understanding these initial steps will prepare you for a successful repair, making your driving experience much more comfortable and enjoyable. Many G35 owners face issues with their power seats not moving. Often, this points to a faulty motor or switch. We'll guide you through diagnosing these problems, safely accessing the motor assembly under the seat, and then either repairing or replacing the component. After the fix, remember to thoroughly test all seat adjustments to ensure everything works smoothly. A cold seat is no fun, so let's tackle those non-working seat heaters. We'll show you how to troubleshoot the wiring and heating elements and make necessary repairs. Beyond warmth, we'll also cover common upholstery issues like tears or flattened cushions. You can often mend small tears or add new foam to restore comfort and appearance. To keep your Infiniti G35 seats in top condition, regular maintenance is key. Lubricate moving parts and clean the seat tracks to prevent future sticking or grinding. Protecting your upholstery from sun and spills will also extend its life. For more complex electrical or structural problems, it's often best to consult a professional technician for a lasting solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.